Hey guys, today let's learn how to make live stickers on your iPhone in iOS 17. So if you guys are wondering how to create your own live stickers over on the iPhone iOS device, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So in order for us to accomplish this, what we need to do is to go ahead and launch the Photos application. Now from here, of course, if you'd like to go ahead and create some live stickers, either launch your photos and then create stickers from there, or launch your messages application and then choose a specific chat that you'd like to go ahead and send a live sticker to. So just go ahead and tap on this chat, tap on the plus icon, and then tap on stickers. From here, you're going to see all of the stickers that you have created. And if you would like to go ahead and create a new one, just tap on this plus icon. And then of course, you could choose a specific photo that you'd like to go ahead and use for this example. And I'm going to go ahead and choose maybe this one right here. Now, we're going to go ahead and use this as our live sticker. Of course, just tap on this live button to turn it off. Of course, if you want to go ahead and make it live, just make sure that this is turned on. It is going to be on by default, so just let that by itself. Tap on add sticker, and then it's now successfully added. You can now go ahead and send this to this person, and just tapping on the sticker, tapping on send, and it will be sent successfully. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.